Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. About the limit on the left, that's it from here. When they go near to number 0, we see that they will reach about the value of number 1 in here. About the limits on the right, that's it from this area. From here, they will go closer to number 0, and we see that they reach about number 1. So this is about number 1. The limit on the left is equal to the limit on the right. So we can say that the value of this limit is equal to number 1. And the final answer is about A. This is the end. Thank you for watching.